Is your car headlight frequently going out? Don't immediately assume it's just the bulb. Intermittent headlight failures are often electrical. Start by visually inspecting the bulb and socket for damage or corrosion. Check the fuse box for blown fuses related to the headlights. Replace if necessary. Next, examine the wiring harness for any frayed or damaged wires, especially near connectors. Use a multimeter to test for voltage at the headlight socket. No voltage indicates a problem upstream, like a faulty relay or dimmer switch. Clean any corroded ground connections you find, as poor grounding can cause voltage drops and intermittent outages. Remember, a systematic approach is key. Disconnect the battery for safety before any electrical work. If the bulb and fuse are good and you've confirmed a lack of voltage, investigate the headlight relay. Swap it with a similar relay from another system like the horn to see if the headlight issue resolves. A faulty dimmer switch can also cause intermittent problems. Test it with a multimeter or consider replacement. For modern cars with LED headlights, module failures are increasingly common. These require professional diagnosis and often replacement. If you suspect a software glitch, consult your car's manual for reset procedures or contact a dealer for updates. In some cases, aftermarket additions can overload circuits. Remove them to see if the problem goes away. If these steps don't fix the issue, it's best to consult a professional mechanic for further diagnosis.